another day of gains for the Dow Jones Industrial Average. This is the longest streak of up days since July. I think we're at number 7. Bloomberg's Deborah Kostroun has the latest from the New York Stock Exchange. Deborah.
Thanks a lot, Pimm. Yes, the Dow up now for 7 days in a row. One of the reasons that we did see the market higher today was the fact that we did have retailers doing quite well. And in fact, the S&P Retail Index had its highest close since July of 2007. This was after retail sales rebounded, and the ICSC and Goldman Sachs saying that weekly retail sales up 2.2%. That was after 4 weeks of declines. And so what we did see across the board, stocks like JCPenney, Home Depot, all performing quite well. And also McDonald's rallying after reporting a higher than estimated monthly results with their comp sales. Pimm.
Now, Deborah, even though Beazer Homes had some disappointing earnings results, they performed well along with other home builders. People think that these stocks are going to continue to rise?
Yeah, apparently the home builders doing quite well. And as you said, Beazer doing well in the face of some not so extraordinary news. And this was after executives and economists predicted a bounce in demand. And that's one of the reasons that led not only the home builders higher, but also that index higher. And speaking of housing, I spoke to Zillow.com today, and they said in some of the battered housing markets across the country, they are actually seeing more people buy homes with cash, especially in markets like Miami and Fort Lauderdale. Over the past year, one of the trends that they are seeing, about half the people are not even buying with mortgages. They're just buying with outright cash. And it's not only in places like Fort Lauderdale, but also in Tampa, Phoenix, and even Las Vegas. So some of these markets that have been battered down, people with cash are coming in and buying. And the big question, of course, who is coming in with this cash and buying? And according to Zillow, they said at least some foreigners are coming in, and they are doing a little bit of buying because they see these irresistible prices right now. So if you have the cash, it seems like people are investing in real estate. And also, when you do buy with cash, sellers may be a little bit more motivated. It can knock off 5 to 10% of the price, mainly because those sellers are wanting to close as quickly as possible. That's it from here, Pimm. Now back to you.
Thank you very much. Deborah Kostroun reporting from the New York Stock Exchange.